Hum, 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 hum. Just kidding. I'm just teasing you guys. So basically, you guys know I've been doing boho videos, just a lot of boho videos where I go ahead and search for my inner peace. And, you know, I have a Himalayan salt lamp, and I've just been really into, you know, being peaceful and serene with my background and my dwelling. And I redid my whole bedroom in the bohemian vibe. I just thought I'd play around with you guys a little bit this morning and do a little meditation. Just teasing. Okay, let's go ahead, let's get started. Today we're here to talk about a Coach bag, the Coach Mia bag. If you like videos like these, go ahead, hit like and subscribe. Let's go ahead, let's get started. Let's jump right in. So I have this lovely beauty today here to talk about, and I just wanted to talk about this bag because I love this Mia bag. If you've been on the channel for a long time, if you're an OG, then you know I love this bag so much that I almost picked it up in various different colors from Coach when Coach was offering it at the outlet. This lovely bag came in burgundy, it came in brown, it came in black, it came in so many different colors, and I absolutely loved it. Now the version that I have, the black, does have suede on the side. It has like a soft leather suede on the sides. Some of the other versions of the bags and some of the other colors of the bag didn't have the soft leather. Some of the other colors were just all pebbled leather, like the burgundy was just all burgundy even on the sides, but the black, and I want to say the beige, the black and one other of the colors did have the soft leather on the side like mine's. I absolutely love this bag. I still love it to this day, but originally when I first purchased this bag years ago when it was offered at Coach, I'll never forget the job that I was working at. This was a workhorse for me. I would sashay into that job at my desk with this Mia bag, and I absolutely loved it. And to this day, I still enjoy carrying it. Sometimes I do enjoy carrying the hot, trendy bag from Coach, like the Tabbies or whatever's newly released. But sometimes I just go for an OG. The OGs, the oldies, but the goodies, they're the best bags, the ones that can last forever. And we all know Coach bags last for very, very long times, for years and years and years. So this particular Mia bag, I've had it with me throughout. I had this before the pandemic, and I still love this bag. That's been several years now since, you know, all that whole pandemic mess started. And I still love and carry this bag. I still get compliments on it. So this is the lovely Mia, and I have it in the black. One of the selling points for me on this bag was this little dangle right here on the chain. The pull tab has like a little tiny chain dangle on it, and I thought that was so cute. Plus the leather is so beautiful. You could kind of see like veining in the leather throughout this bag. It does have feet at the bottom. It's trimmed with gold hardware, and it has a gold tag for Coach. It has two convenient side pockets that you can easily put your cell phone in or your keys, or slide a debit card down in it if you're at the register and you're in a hurry and you want to go. But it can hold a lot. I have it stuffed. Let me go ahead and take the stuffing out. So here is the lovely interior. Very nice. A lot of room in there. It's kind of dark. You might not be able to see it all, but it's very nice in there, and it has several pockets on both sides of the bag for you to put your accessories in. And it does come with a shoulder strap. So normally when I carry this bag, I carry it as a shoulder bag, or I just carry it top handle. You can use it as a crossbody as well because it does come with that strap. So today I just wanted to talk about my lovely Mia bag, you guys, and let you know that this is such a nice handbag by Coach. If you like videos like these, go ahead, stick with me, hit like and subscribe. Go ahead, check out my playlist on Coach, and I'll see you girls in tomorrow's video. I upload videos every single day, so if you're new to the channel, come back and check me out tomorrow morning. Love you guys. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye. Don't forget your meditation.